Do you want to know how to avoid bad relationships and spend more time with the people that matter most and will matter most in your life? Then you need to know two things. Number one, you are going to need to know if you can have difficult conversations with them. Everything isn't always going to be rosy. And if they can't have challenging conversations, then guess what's going to happen as soon as the challenge comes along? You guessed it, it ain't going to work. Imagine saving months and months, if not years, on avoiding bad relationships, less arguments, less surprises, and using that same valuable time and applying that to somebody that's out there that's meant for you. I go by Lord Vaughn, and I went from being a nobody to moving to a new city and building a close-knit community of over 75,000 people through meaningful experiences and conversations. Being great at conversations has helped me build such communities and connections with people that I care about most. If you're looking for a new card set that's going to spark fun conversations and meaningful moments with friends, family, or your significant other, then you definitely want to check this out. Number two, conversely, can you have fun with them? If you can actually have fun with this person and they're not too stuck up or too on the ropes where they can't really have a good time, or they always mess up a good time, or they too boring, don't know how to take a joke, these different things, then it ain't gonna last. So those are the two things you need to make sure you know. And if you found those two things to be something that you want to make sure that you apply in whatever your next situation or relation or your current situation that you have going on, then make sure you check out this card game in the description. I linked it below, and that is really going to help you do both of those things. Make sure that they can have challenging conversations and also know if they can have fun or not. So like and subscribe, check out what's in the description if you find that helpful, and see you on the next one.